10 best online teaching jobs for beginners. Hey guys, what's up? I'm your host Jason. The beauty about these platforms that I'm about to show you is that none of them require that you have a teaching degree. So if you think that you like teaching and you would like to start making some money online by doing this is definitely the video for you. So be sure to stick around until the end as I will go through 10 different platforms that you can sign up for to start do online teaching. The first one that I'll be showing you, as you can see right here, is skimatalk.com. And as you can see with Schema Talk, they offer high quality teaching. That's what they promote. All Schema Talk teachers are native English speakers, and you'll see that you will have flexible working hours. And if I should scroll down, you can see that they are trusted by a lot of leading brands, for example Google and so on. And you can see that the teachers are getting a lot of sessions. As you can see right here, this teacher right here got over 5,000 sessions. And if I should tap on the link to become a teacher, you can see that the sign up section is very straightforward, as all you'll need to do is tap on sign up and fill in your information, and then take a simple test and wait on your approval. And once you're approved, you can start teaching on Schema Talk and start earning money. By the way, I'll be leaving a link in the description for each of the platforms that I'm about to show you, so you can simply tap on it and visit the websites to sign up if you are interested. The other one that we'll be looking at is amazingtalker.com. And if I should tap on apply to teach right here and open it, Amazing Talker has been getting a lot of credit since recently, as a lot of persons have been using this platform to make a lot of money. As you can see right here, you can teach a variety of languages, but let's say I was to teach English for 40 hours per week. I'll be able, this is in my currency, Jamaican by the way, I'll be able to earn over $1 million Jamaican dollars. That means I'll be able to earn roughly 8,000 US dollars. And as you can see, you'll be able to set your own prices when it comes to Amazing Talker. So you can choose your 25-minute trial lessons and 50-minute standard lessons, and you can see the hourly rates. And again, the beauty about these websites is that they do not require that you have a teaching degree. A few of them will require that you have a TEFL qualification, which you can get online by simply doing a short course, which I would recommend that you do, because that would qualify you for more teaching jobs and also higher pay. The other platform that I will be showing you is allright.com. And as you can see, allright.com, it teaches English online for children between the ages of 4 to 12. And you can scroll down and you will see the information on their lessons. And again, this one is very easy to apply. All you'll have to do is scroll down, tap on job for teachers. Once you have selected job for teachers, you'll be led to this page and you'll simply tap on apply now. And as you can see right here, friendly management, they pay 12 USD per hour. And their payment options, you can receive your pay via bank transfer, PayPal, or Payoneer on a bi-weekly basis. The other platform that I will be showing you is Pureply.com. This has been one of the most popular platforms when it comes to online teaching jobs. To scroll down, you can see right here, teach online. You'll simply put in your email and password to start the sign-up process. And again, you'll be able to set your own rate. On average, English tutors charge between $15 to $25 per hour. And the beauty about teaching online, you'll be able to teach anytime you want. You can set your schedule, especially when it comes to Pureply, and you'll be able to teach anywhere. So if I should scroll down, you can see that you'll be able to teach students from over 180 countries, and Pureply tutors teach over 800,000 students globally. So if you have a knack for teaching, this is definitely a platform that you should give a try. The other one that I will be showing you is hello.tutolog.com. And again, this one is not as popular as Pureply, but they're slowly growing. The reason why this one isn't as popular as Pureply is because it requires that you have the TEFL qualification. And again, you can do a simple course online to get this. As you can see right here, TEFL, but it does not require that you have a teaching certificate. And it is available for persons in the US, UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. The other one that I'll be showing you is support.italki.com. This has been around for years now, and it's very straightforward and easy to apply. And if I should go right here, you can see that the different payment methods available when it comes to italki. You'll be able to get paid via PayPal or Hyperwallet, and also Payoneer and bank transfer. And you can see that their minimum withdrawal amount is 30 USD. And again, you do not need any degree or anything like that to sign up with italki. The other platform that we'll be looking at is latinhire.com. Latinhire.com has been around for a while and has slowly begun to grow in popularity. And to apply to latinhire.com, you'll simply tap on online tutor right here to sign up, and that will open this page on which you'll fill in your name, gender, email address, phone number, just the basic information. And once you have done that, you will go through a small test that they will give you. But the test is basically to check your internet speed and also to check how you carry yourself over Skype or Zoom, and that's it. The other platform is verblingcom. With verblingcom, I'll be leaving a link again on how you can go to this page. And verblingcom has a good payment structure, and again, you'll be able to teach from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. Other one is Palfish. Palfish, I'm almost certain if you have ever Googled online tutoring or online teaching, you have come across a recommendation for Palfish. Palfish is a website that in the past usually mainly teach Chinese persons how to speak English, but they have slowly grown in popularity and now they teach students from all over the world. To sign up with Palfish, most of the time you need an invitation, as you can see right here, and you'll be able to earn between $12 to $17 per hour. And with Palfish, you'll be able to teach via mobile device. That's one of the plus about Palfish, why it is so popular. And last but definitely not least, we have Campbell.com. This is definitely one of the most popular websites when it comes to online tutoring, as you do not need any form of degree or you don't need the TEFL qualifications to start teaching on Cambly. It's definitely the best platform when it comes to beginners on online teaching. I hope you found this video helpful and you were able to find one of these platforms that you qualify for to start teaching online as a beginner.